Hey guys, welcome back to my channel after a very long time. So in today's video I'm going to show you a difference between NC46 and NC47 from MAC, and I'll also show you how to create this look. This look suits for any party or any functions and even for traditional wear also. So if you want to know how I get this look, and if you want to know what is the difference between NC46 and NC47, please keep on watching. And before get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and click a bell icon next to the subscriber button so that you will not miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get into the video, guys. So first thing, I'm going to clean my face using the wet wipes. So I have already cleansed my face. It's been already 1 hour, so that I'm going to clean my face now. So after that, I'm going to use a moisturizer from L'Oreal, and it is a water based moisturizer. If you are into oily skin, you can use this. So next thing, I'm going to use a Nivea moisturizer around my mouth and near the nose areas, because of hormonal imbalance during the pregnancy I've got this dryness. For that I'm using this Nivea moisturizer. So after this, I'm going to prime my face using a Fenty Filter Pro primer. So I'm going to apply all over the face, and this primer is a very nice base for oily skin, and this is my favorite primer also. Now I'm applying a lip balm. This is from Carmex. So next I'm going to color correct using a LA Girl Pro concealer. Wherever I have discoloration, I'm doing a color correcting. So if you don't have any discoloration, you can skip this part. And once I did color correcting, I'm gonna apply a concealer. So normally I don't like to use a foundation on top of the orange corrector, so I will feel some orangish when I use a foundation. So that's why I'm using a concealer. So once I've used my concealer, I'm going to use a foundation. Here I'm using a NC47. For my right side, I'm going to using a NC47 concealer, and for my left side I'm going to use a NC46. This is a new one, so I'm going to try. I want to check the difference between NC46 and NC47. So this is the NC47 foundation. So using a foundation brush, I'm going to blend the foundation. So for my right side I have used NC47. So now I'm going to use a NC46 for my left side. So I'm going to use the same brush which I used for my right side. So that is why I'm cleaning my brush using a wet wipes. I'm done with applying foundation. You can see the difference between NC46 and NC47. There is no much difference between these two foundations. So I feel both look same and similar. I don't feel much difference. So if you're wondering about difference between 46 and 47, so I can see the difference. I'm using a damp beauty blender to just take out the excess foundation, so that you will not feel cakey or heavy foundation. So now I'm applying NC45 concealer underneath my eye just to highlight. Normally I don't like to highlight from lighter shade. So that's the reason I'm using 1 or 2 shade lighter than my foundation. So now I'm going to set the concealer areas using a Forever 52 setting powder, and this is a banana powder. So after this I'm going to use a MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. This is in the shade C7, I guess. So I'm going to set remaining area from this powder. So for contouring I'm using a dark shade from MAC concealer palette. The same shade I'm going to use for nose contouring. So now dusting out the excess powder. So I'm going to set my eyelid area using a banana setting powder, and now I'm going to do my eye look. So using a transition shade I'm going to set my eyelid areas now. Once I did, I'm going to use this pink, very light pink shade and applying all over the eyelid areas. Today I'm going to do a very light very simple eye look. So now I'm going to take this dark shade from this palette and applying outer corner of the eyes to create a very simple or light smoky look. If you don't want to apply a dark shade or smoky look, if you don't want, you can just leave it and apply some shimmer shade. It looks awesome. So now I'm going to apply on my eyelid areas this shimmer shade. So from the inner corner to outer corner I'm going to apply this shimmer shade. So using this flat brush I'm going to apply inner corner of the eyes. So normally flat brush will be more comfortable than the fingertips, so that's the reason I'm using this. So now I'm using Essence liquid eyeliner. So just creating a small wing liner. So tight lining my upper line using Forever 52 Kajal pencil. And Forever 52 products are very good and very nice. You can definitely try it out. So after this, using a Inglot gel eyeliner, I'm gonna apply on my waterline. And next I'm going to curl my lashes. Mascara, I'm using Essence mascara. So for my lower lashes I'm using other mascara from Essence only, and this is the best mascara for your lower lashes. If you're struggling to apply mascara for your lower lashes, this one is the best one. You can try it out. So now I'm gonna apply a blush using the e.l.f. blush palette. So I'm gonna highlight my face now using a Makeup Revolution Glow palette. So I'm gonna highlight bridge of my nose, forehead areas, and even the tear duct area. So I'm applying on tear duct area. When you apply on tear duct area, your eyes looks nice and awesome, guys. So moving to the lip part, I'm gonna use Essence lip liner. So the lip liner is my favorite. Once I applied a lip liner, I'm going to use liquid lipstick from Body Shop. This is a beautiful color for dark skin, guys, and it become my favorite also. So when you're applying, it may look dark, but once it dries out, it looks nude on dark skin, guys. You can definitely try it out. So after this, I'm gonna set my face using a matte instant matte setting spray from Essence. This setting spray makes your makeup looks matte all day, guys. So here is the final look, guys. I don't find any difference between NC46 and NC47. Both look similar and same. I don't find much difference between these two shades. I hope this video will be very useful for you all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. So I will see you all on my next video. Until then, Nitya, take care.